सुमीको त्यो आँखामा लाउने आइब्रो के जस्तो त
म यहाँ फोटो टिपिरहेको छु
नक्कली साग पनि के आँखामा लाउने केसमा किन्ने मान्छे रहेछ अरे
त्यहाँबाट फोर टिप्स अरे
फोटो भित्र छ के
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and on today's video I shall be doing an unboxing video and mini review on this robot vacuum. Sorry if I pronounce it wrong. The company Housmile has sent me this amazing robotic vacuum, and to be honest, well, I don't usually use Hoover in home. It's always our dad or my husband use the Hoover, so obviously this is not for me. Okay, the delivery time, I bought this from Amazon. The seller are from Amazon and the delivery time was super quick. I ordered it today. For instance, if I ordered it today, it came like it was a next day delivery, so delivery was super duper quick. So thumbs up for that. Now I am gonna open this box and see how is it. Actually, before that, over here it's written it's a fall prevention, so obviously if you're gonna use this in stairs and all, it's not gonna fall. And two cleaning mode, so it's two setting mode, double slide brush, and voltage is this, I don't know what does this mean, and it is a lithium battery. Over here you can see the design, and over here obviously it says it's a two different setting. Okay, now let's get on with this. Over here I have got a manual. It's a very small manual. This is a thank you card. Over here it's a plug or an adapter. I think you need to charge this and use them, which is a plus point because you don't have to keep on buying batteries and all, so you just can plug this and use them, and every time when it dies you can replug it again. And over here it has got a battery. Oh, okay, so it's a battery. Over here it's a big bad boy, that's the main thing. Here is a Hoover. Okay, this is how it looks like. It's very small, very cute. Two wheels, and it has got small wheels that rotates like so. Okay, and over here there are some brushes. So there are 4 brushes. It has got screwdriver as well, and lastly it has got some kind of filter, I think so. This must be a filter. So that's all about it over here. Now I need to fix all this, which I'm not that good on fixing all this, so let me see the menu. Actually, I'm gonna leave this for my husband to do it because I can't be asked, so stay tuned, I'll be back, okay? Alright you guys, my husband has assembled the bits and bobs. Now I'm gonna do the first impression. Okay, here we go guys, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh! Wow! Ah. Wow, I'm loving it. Oh, my little robot Hoover. Oh, I love the bit where he hits the sofa and come back to our direction. So it has got a sensor on it, like so. No, dead level.
बच्चाले त्यो फर्म लगाएर सानो कार फेरि यत्रो पावर इलेक्ट्रिकले यो तान्दैन, यस्तो यो माथबाट तान्ला पैसाहरू बनाएर
नि कोठाको लागि त भरेमा टेस्ट गरौँ त भरेमा के गर्दा रहेछ ओके नाउ वी गना टेस्ट गरौँ न Okay, we're gonna try in the stairs. Now we're gonna try in the stairs. Tasting मात्रै गरेको क्या? Oh wow! Bichara, the stairs is quite small. That's why it's struggling. यहाँ ट्राई गरौँ त यो टेबलमा Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. So far that's my review. So far I am loving this robot hoover, and as you can see it takes out the little bit of bits and bobs of like hair and all. I don't know if it does a great job for the cleaning, but I guess it's a good job for like super fast like a skim cleaning. Usually अब हामी मान्छेहरु घरमा बिजी छ भने यतिकै अन गरेर छोड्दा पनि हुन्छ, and you can do your bits and bobs in the kitchen and all, and I guess it's a very safe way of hoovering, and it saves your time as well. If you want to grab one of those, then I shall put the coupon code down below. Coupon code is only valid for certain dates, so make sure you get your hands on them before it's too late. And yes, by saying that, I would like to wrap up this video. So far I'm loving it, no complaints at all. So सानो सानो फोरहरु टिप्नुको लागि चाहिँ ठीक छ, धेरै heavy duty को लागि चाहिँ ठीक छैन होला. To say thank you for Housmile as well for sponsoring me this lovely robot hoover. So that's about it for today. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.